guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am with Alya. She is my friend. Are we friends?
Oh my god, did you say one of my closest friends just now? And then I was just like, you're my friend?
I wanted to be a bitch and be like, colleague. She's one of my closest friends and we met each other through our work. Anyways, today we're gonna be doing COLOURPOP Lippie Stick Swatch. Oh my god, I forgot to say. So Alya has a YouTube channel as well and also Instagram. I will link all of our social medias down below. We did a video on her channel as well. We did a mukbang, Q&A, ghost story, how to spell. Kind of shit on messy. It was messy, but I loved it. So that will be linked in my description box down below as well as the info bar. We're gonna be doing the lippie stick swatches. We have 30 lippie sticks, so pray for my lips because we already swatched one and I feel like my lips just died already. So let me jump. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So yeah, let's just get started with the video. We already swatched this color on our lips and it's bad. And it's funny because the name is called She Bad. So I'm gonna put it on my lips first while she removes her lipstick. Oh shit. It looks like it looks like Anastasia Beverly Hills milkshake, but I don't have that color, so I don't know how that would look like on me. But I would assume it would look like this, which is disgusting. No offense to anyone who loves this color. Like probably like really probably like really fair girls. Like super fair. For me, I think if I put on like a dark lip liner, I might be able to pull it off by like, because I love nudes anyway, so.
For me, I feel like this is an everyday look. I wear this every day out.
Yes, definitely, 100%. Like, you guys should totally buy it. Am I right?
No.
So, next shade we have is Cookie. Oh my god, I want to try this so badly. I've always wanted to get it, but I don't know if it will like match me. So we finally got to see. On camera it looks really bad, but I think in real life it's not that bad. Is it? It's very sheer, this formula. Yeah. It's just the matte formula, but it's really sheer. I use like NARS, Stromboli, Maybelline Creamy Beige, I think it's called. Oh my god, it's actually not bad.
No, it's actually bad.
No, it's actually really not bad. Like on camera it looks really bad, but in real life it's not that bad. But you're not used to nude lipsticks, that's why you don't like it. Yeah.
I use like a 310 for Fenty.
Oh, I use like a 280. Not that much difference. Huda Beauty, I'm Tres Leche.
Really?
What's that brand? Yeah.
If I'm wrong, I use Butter Pecan.
Butter Pecan? Isn't that one shade lighter? No. It's not?
I don't know, but Butter Pecan is a bit like Omila. Next color we're gonna try is Parker. And I've worn this before and I can honestly say I'm not excited to try this.
Really?
Not because of the color,
then?
because of the smell.
Ooh.
Are you ready?
Oh, yeah, the old formula has that smell.
Yeah.
It's disgusting. I hated it.
It's just horrible. So this is a bit sheer. Yeah, it looks nice on her. I mean, what does it?
You sound like such. So this is Parker. This is the old formula, but it smells like shit, guys.
Okay, the fourth color, while she's removing her lipsticks, is CAMI, and this is like one of the bestsellers.
Yeah, I would imagine.
Like a lot of people get CAMI. It's just like a nice pinky nude color.
Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my god.
Yes.
So excited.
I wasn't to do that because I'm not a beauty guru.
Oh, CAMI looks so good on you.
It's just like a pink.
Okay, it's not bad. It's starting to grow on me a little bit. Like, I like it like just a little bit.
It looks like just a nice pink. But I like this color. It's starting to grow.
Right? It's starting to grow on me, right? I was like, it's starting to grow on me.
Like, if you ever put on CAMI and you're like, oh my god, it doesn't look nice on me. Wait a while.
Yeah, just wait for like what, 10 seconds, 15 seconds. Then you're like, maybe I do like it on me. Next one we have is Bring. Oh my god, I'm actually excited. I've heard a lot of good things about Bring. looks good on camera, but in real life it's just, I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, it's starting to grow on me. Okay, that's what I realized. ColourPop Lippie Sticks, they need to grow on you. Yeah, because like you cannot just wear it and then you fall in love with it.
Smells like Parker.
Yeah. No, I actually really like it, to be honest.
On me?
Yeah, it actually looks really good on you. You can just like darken your
Like you
your
actually have a
cupid's bow.
face of
Yeah, exactly.
makeup.
It actually looks cute.
Because she has makeup on, I don't. So
I just had concealer, blush, and highlight.
I didn't get to anything, bitch. Because we're different shades, so I can't even use hers.
So next shade is Aftershock, which is a matte X formula.
Matte
I'm guessing
X
if you use
basically
it
like matte,
but
more matte.
it's basically like MAC, MAC Retro Matte. Oh, I'm in love.
Yes.
I'm obsessed. This is so pretty. Now this looks a bit more like Doll Parts by Jeffree Star, but I love this more.
We could just dance to this.
It's too pink.
I love it though. I fucking love it on you.
Every color, she's like, I love it on you.
No, but I
But
legit
it
love
looks
it
better
on you.
on her.
No! I actually fucking love it on you. It matches your skin really well.
Like Nicki Minaj shit.
No! Nicki Minaj is like pale nude. This is different. I cannot smile with my mouth open. People won't be able to see the lipsticks.
You've been literally burping from just now, you bitch.
Once!
Okay, next one. Okay, the next one is Lumiere, which is Kathleen Light's
Collaboration with ColourPop. I think it was the first one, is it?
Hmm?
Was it the first one?
Yeah. The other one is Lumiere too.
Two, yeah.
Or did she come out with like liquid lipstick first? No, I think she came out with lipstick first. But this one is matte, is it? Oh no, it's just matte. I hate this one because of the smell.
No.
No, I said it's not sure.
No, the color.
Oh, what?
The color. I don't like the color in general, so like if anyone
Yeah.
wears it, so I won't like it.
But it's nice on some people like her. Like, it's nice on Kathleen.
Yeah. It just pulls too purple.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a no from me.
But
On this
maybe
color.
Oh, yeah.
It's a no.
It looks nice on camera. But
Right? It looks nice on camera, but it looks so bad in real life.
no.
No.
The next one is Topanga.
It's a no from me.
I actually like it on you.
No, it's so ugly. This... Wait lang, walang belum post. It's a no from the both of us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming to our TED Talk. Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh my...
So from here on out, colors may vary because our lips are stained.
Yeah. So the next one is Baywatch, which is a matte shade. So this is the color
Baywatch.
Baywatch. I don't know that. It's really pretty.
Not on me.
I fucking love it on you more than me.
No.
Oh, so you can tell me how I feel and my opinion on colors?
Yes.
Sure. So next shade is Gold Digger, and she used it just now, and it was...
It's my favorite. It's my second favorite after Candy Paint, but I don't have Candy Paint today.
Why?
I left it wrong.
Damn it! Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. I want to die. Oh my god, I love this color so much.
Okay, I feel like it doesn't look like how it should
Look, yeah.
because it's stained, but trust me,
No, but it's beautiful. No, on camera, it doesn't look as good, but trust me, it looks
real life?
so good on her. Like, amazing. So we attempted to conceal our lips, but it clearly did not work. So
So we're just gonna go on it to the next one. And it's called Sauce.
Oh, I love this color.
Go to our last pink. It's called Poppin'.
Poppin'.
This is also matte X. Yeah, I knew it. I love it.
I think I will love this color. I love hot pink, bright pinks.
I really love it.
I love it. This is like purple undertones.
No, that's just because our lips have been through a lot.
True.
So there's actually no purple undertone.
Oh my god, I freaking love it.
Like,
It's a true bright fuchsia pink.
where is it?
What shade is this again?
Called Poppin'.
Poppin'.
Pop.
Jeez. Next shade we have is I Heart This, which is another hot pink, but let's pray that it's not going to be too crazy.
Now you can tell the difference between the matte X and the matte formula.
Yeah.
So this is I Heart This and this is Poppin'. Okay, our next one is an orangey reddish shade. It's called Julep.
Yeah. Oh no. I think like the neonness with the texture is. Yeah, I can just imagine. Yeah, after that matte. Ugh. All the night and all the night and
When they say cream, they mean cream.
right? Oh, that butter. It literally glides on like.
This is a no from me for the color.
It's a no for me too.
100% a no for me.
But the cream,
The formula is a yes. It's a yes.
okay. The next one, it's a bright orange shade
Ooh.
called Chi Chi, as you can see on the back of the lippie sticks.
Ooh, it's so nice. I love orange lip colors on tan skin. Oh, it's so pretty. You actually pull it off way more better than me.
I look like an actual duck.
No. The color is enough for me. It looks too neon on me. If I can tone it out with like a dark red lip liner, then it will look okay.
And like, this is kiss proof.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm just saying.
Yeah.
I'm just saying, it's kiss proof. Like, it won't come off.
Oh my god, literally it will come off.
Oh my god.
A bit lah. But very, very slight. I mean, your boyfriend kalau tak tahan just a bit like macam, like, you know, like.
Bye.
So next we have the shade Love Life, which is a matte X
Red.
formula.
Oh, the formula is amazing.
I'm obsessed. Oh my god, your color almost looks the same and it's not just your lips.
I haven't even worn it yet.
I am so obsessed with me, but I wanna know.
She really can't sing.
I feel so attacked. Oh my god, I love this color.
On both of us.
Yeah, it looks amazing on both of us. Okay, next we have the shade Cougar, which is a matte formula.
Can lah.
So Cougar basically,
No difference.
yeah, basically Cougar matches to our lip shade, so like,
So if you want our lip shade,
get Cougar.
Okay, moving on to the next one. We have New Rules, which is in a matte X formula.
Oh, yeah, it looks like sauce.
Yeah.
A lot like a sauce.
Next one is Ziggy. This is one of my like personal favorites. Like I really like this color.
Really?
Yeah.
Dah lah, lampau. Oh, I love this color. So this is the shade Ziggy.
It's like really favorite.
So the last red is Trust Me Matte X. Trust me. My lips are dying.
Oh, I like this one also.
I love it. But like,
I think it's because of the stain.
could be also, yeah.
Yeah.
I prefer ABH Seraphine or like Highly Mary Jo. I like the really dark reds.
Okay, so the next one is called Can't Wait for this to be over.
Same.
That reaction was like immediate.
It looks beautiful on you. Yeah, no. For me, this is a no. I don't really like it on me.
It's nice.
No. The red color underneath is making it look nice. If it was on its own, it would have been ugly. But on you, it's amazing. It's like a beautiful nude. So next shade is Grunge, and it's a matte color.
How do you even... How have you been doing?
No.
Brown.
You're
Very excited.
Yeah, we're like... Next shade we have we have is Bitchet, which is me. So
It's
like...
Bitchet.
Oh, not Bitchet. I actually like this color, but it reminds me a lot of Unicorn Blood. Like if you want a dupe for Unicorn Blood, like this is the shade.
But Unicorn Blood is more...
Yeah, more like brown. This is a bit more red. Disgusting.
Okay, so our next color is called Jingle Ladies, and it's like a dark vampy purple color.
Okay. It applies so nicely. What's this? I'm an X.
Oh my god, I love it on you. With your blonde hair, amazing.
Oh yeah. Like it makes my hair even blonder than already.
Yeah. I love it. What color is this?
I really love it also. Jingle Ladies.
I find it funny though. It's called Jingle Lady, like jingle balls.
Very vampy, very...
It looks like
but
Mac
at the same time,
Diva a
like
bit.
classy.
Yeah.
And like...
So next shade is LBB, which is what, little black, not dress, right? I don't know. Stop! Why you look at me like that?
I don't know what you're gonna say.
I don't know what it's supposed to be. Little black bitch.
Okay, I'm just gonna swatch our last one because this is the last one. So like, why even bother? I can't even read. Okay, this is called Dukes. Oh my!
Oh my god! That's like black. That's like tight. This LBB, I actually like LBB, but I think I prefer the other shade more. Ooh.
No. I think it's Jingle Ladies.
Oh yeah, Jingle Ladies. Sounds like a horse more than a, you know. Oh, it actually looks good.
Literally, you add every color on me.
I can never complete my.
But I
now.
actually think it's because of my blonde hair.
Yeah, your blonde hair makes it even nicer. Are you angry?
I didn't even say that.
LBB,
And mine is Dukes. So if you're looking for a dark color,
like a really dark, like freaking dark ass bitch ass color.
dark color.
Then this is the color for you. So basically we did 28 lip swatches. Whoa! Well, 27 because I didn't wear
Yeah,
but
okay.
yeah, we can't take it.
Let's not
Okay.
do the maths.
Yeah. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos with Alya, because she does a lot, like she does like conspiracy theory, she does like sister tech. She's a very cool casual person on her channel. I'm more into like just makeup.
Yeah.
So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.